Hello students, today we see some special integrals. In the previous example we are also learn some special integrals, that is the 1 upon a square minus x square, 1 upon x square minus a square and 1 upon x square plus a square. The three special integrals. Here we see integrals of 1 upon under root a square minus x square, 1 upon under root x square minus a square. In the last we see the integrals without under root, okay, and here we see the integrals with under root, okay. Here integrals of 1 upon a square minus x square, 1 upon x square minus a square, and integral of 1 upon x square plus a square, okay. We are see these integrals and also examples on it, and examples are the 1 upon integrals of 1 upon quadratic function, that is 1 upon quadratic function. Then the quadratic function by completing square method we are converted into two terms, that is a square and x square, and we use one formula out of this three formula of the integrals, okay. Now here the integrals in under root, examples are in the same, process is same, but last formula for the integration is different because there is without under root and here it is a under root. Again in this type we see the examples 1 upon under root quadratic function, and process is same. By completing square method we convert the quadratic function into two terms, that is the a square and x square. We get any one out of this and we use the formula for the integrals, okay. Now here to prove these integrals, okay, here 1 upon under root of a square minus x square, 1 upon under root x square minus a square. Here to find these integrals we use the special substitution, okay, here, and the special substitution of the under root a square minus x square, under root x square minus a square, and under root x square plus a square we have already learned in the chapter differentiation and the article derivative of inverse trigonometric function, okay. Here the special substitution, see carefully. Here if the function it is under root of a square minus x square, then put x is equal to a sin theta or x is equal to a cos theta, okay. These are the special substitution. When in the integral we see the under root of a square minus x square, then substitute x is equal to a sin theta or x is equal to a cos theta, but we generally substitute the x is equal to a sin theta. Then second substitution, under root of it is x square minus a square. Here put x is equal to a sec theta or x is equal to a cosec theta. Under root x square plus a square or a square plus x square. Here put x is equal to a tan theta or x is equal to a cot theta, okay. Here to find the integrals of these special integrations we use the special substitution, that is when under root of a square minus x square we put x is equal to a sin theta or x is equal to a cos theta, but we use this a sin theta, it is a sec theta and it is a tan theta. We can also use the second substitution, okay, anyone, okay, but we use a sin theta, a cos theta and it is a tan theta to find the integrals of these terms, okay. That is 1 upon quadratic under root quadratic function, okay. Now see one by one. Here remember this, the special substitutions. Now first we find this integral. Here prove that here integral of 1 upon under root a square minus x square dx is equal to sin inverse x by a plus c. It is the integral of this function, okay. We can prove this, okay. Now proof. Let integral is equal to, it is 1 upon under root a square minus x square dx. Now to find this, okay, in the last, without under root, here a square minus x square, we can use the expansion, that is a plus b, a minus b, a square minus b square. But here this term in the under root, so here we use the special substitution, and here a square minus x square, therefore we put x is equal to a sin theta. Okay, here it is a substitution, x is equal to a sin theta. Now differentiate. Here derivative of 1, sorry, x, it is a 1 a cos theta into d theta by dx. Okay, differentiate with respect to x, it is a substitution, then differentiate with respect to x, therefore we can write dx is equal to a cos theta d theta. Okay, here, and therefore integral is equal to 1 upon under root of a square minus x, it is a sin theta, therefore it is a square sin square theta, and the value of dx, it is a cos theta d theta, and then this can be written as a cos theta upon under root of a square, take common, then we get 1 minus sin square theta, and it is a d theta. Okay, see carefully, it is a cos theta, we can write here, take a square common, then we get 1 minus sin square theta, and we know that 1 minus sin square theta, it is a cos square theta, therefore a cos theta upon, it is under root of a square cos square theta d theta, then integral of a cos theta upon a, and it is cos theta d theta, then a cos theta get cancelled, here 1 d theta, or it is d theta, and then integral of 1 with respect to theta, it is a theta plus c, then the value of theta it is here, x is equal to a sin theta, therefore see carefully, sin theta is equal to x by, sin theta is equal to x by, and theta is equal to sin inverse x by, so we put this value sin inverse x by, and then it is I, integral, it is 1 upon under root a square minus x square dx is equal to, put the value of theta, it is sin inverse x by a plus c. Okay, here see carefully, to find this integral we use the special substitution, and see the proof. Okay, this proof asked in the exam, it is a 3 marks. Now we see the next. Next it is second. Yes. Prove that integral of 1 upon under root x square minus a square dx is equal to log of x plus under root of x square minus a square and plus it is a c. Okay, it is the integral of this function. Now again here let I is equal to 1 upon under root x square minus a square dx. Now here it is under root x square minus a square, so we put x is equal to a sec theta. Put x is equal to a sec theta. Therefore, directly you can write it is therefore sec theta is equal to x by a. Okay, here it is a substitution. Okay, sec theta. Now differentiate. It is a 1 is equal to a sec theta tan theta d theta by dx. Okay, differentiate with respect to x. Derivative of x, it is 1. A derivative of sec theta with respect to x, it is a sec theta into tan theta into derivative of theta, that is d theta by dx. Now dx is equal to a sec theta tan theta d theta. Okay, it is the value of dx. Now put the value of in the integral. Integral of 1 upon under root x square. X, it is a sec theta, therefore it is a square sec square theta minus a square, and dx, it is a dx a sec theta tan theta d theta. Okay, see carefully here. Our integral is 1 upon under root x square minus a square dx. 1 upon under root x square, it is x square minus a square, and it is a dx, it is the value of dx. Now integral of it is a sec theta into tan theta, a sec theta into tan theta upon, here take a square common, sec square theta minus 1, it is a d theta. Then integral of a sec theta tan theta upon, it is a square into sec square theta. Okay, a square, and it is a sec square theta minus 1, it is a tan square theta. We can directly write a tan theta, it is a d theta. A square, it is a sec square minus 1, it is a tan square theta. Under root a square tan square theta, it is a tan theta. Now a get cancel, tan get cancel, then we can write integral of a, it is a sec theta d theta. See carefully, a get cancel, tan get cancel, only remaining sec theta. Now integral of sec theta, it is log of sec theta plus tan theta. It is the integral of sec theta plus tan theta. Now it is the integral. Now, but we want to find the integral in terms of x. Now here it is a sec theta, and we know that the value of sec theta in terms of x, it is a x by a. Okay, the value of sec theta, it is x by a, but here it is a tan theta. Okay, there is not given the value of the tan theta, so we reduce tan theta into sec theta by using this. It is a sec square theta minus 1. Okay, here it is a tan theta, but we know the value of sec theta, so we reduce tan theta into sec theta. Then it is a log of sec theta as it is, but because we know the value of sec theta, that is the x by a, and it is a tan theta. Tan theta, we can write it is under root tan square theta, and tan square theta, it is a sec square theta minus 1 plus c. See carefully this. It is tan theta, and it is under root of sec square theta minus 1. Sec square theta minus 1, it is a tan square theta, and under root of tan square theta, it is a tan theta. So we can write tan theta in terms of sec theta, under root of sec square theta minus 1. And now we know the value of sec theta, it is x upon a. Put the value of sec theta here, it is a plus c. Now log of sec theta, it is a x by a plus under root of sec square theta, it is x square by a square minus 1 plus c. Then log of it is x by a plus under root of, see carefully here, x square upon a square minus 1, it is x square minus a square upon under root a square, that can be written a plus c. Then log of x plus under root of x square minus a square upon a, taking the addition, plus c. Okay, now log of x plus under root of x square minus a square minus log a, and it is a plus c. See carefully this term. Here we use the property of logarithm. It is x plus under root x square minus a square upon a. Okay, division. So separate the log and it is a minus. Now log a is a constant, c is a constant, and then addition of these two terms, minus log a plus c, addition of these two terms is also a constant. So we take here, it is another constant, that is the c1, and now we can write integral is equal to log of x plus under root of x square minus a square plus c, here minus log a plus c1 is equal to c here, and then it is a proof of this term. Okay, see carefully this. Okay, and same proof for the 1 upon under root x square plus a square. There is a substitution, x is equal to a tan theta. Okay, we see this. Okay, see carefully this. Now this calculation we can again repeat in next proof. Okay, see carefully this. Now next 1 upon x square plus a square, and it is a proof, log of x plus under root of x square plus a square. Now it is a 1 upon under root x square plus a square. Here put x is equal to a tan theta. Therefore tan theta is equal to x by a. Now differentiate. It is 1 is equal to a sec square theta d theta by dx. Then find the value of dx. Dx is equal to a sec square theta d theta. Now put the values in the integral. Therefore it is 1 upon under root x square, that is a square tan square theta plus a square, and dx, it is a sec square theta d theta. It is the value of dx. Then integral of a sec square theta upon under root of a square common, we get it is tan square theta plus 1, and it is d theta. Now see carefully here, a sec square theta upon, it is a square, and 1 plus tan square theta, it is a sec square theta, a square sec square theta, and it is under root, therefore it is a sec theta in d theta. Here a sec square theta, a sec square theta, a square, and it is a sec square theta, therefore it is a under root a square sec square theta, it is a sec theta. A get cancelled, sec theta get cancelled. Then integral is equal to sec theta d theta, and then integral of sec theta, it is log of sec theta plus tan theta plus c. Okay, in the last proof there is given the value of sec theta, but here given the value of tan theta, it is x by a. So here we reduce this sec theta in terms of tan theta, because we know the value of tan theta. Then see carefully, it is a log of sec theta, it is a sec square theta is equal to 1 plus tan square theta. So we can write it is under root of, it is a tan square theta plus 1. Tan square theta plus 1. Tan square theta plus 1, it is a sec square theta. Under root of sec square theta, it is a sec theta. And plus tan theta as it is. Plus c. Then put the value of tan theta. it is under root of x square upon a square plus 1 plus x by a, and it is plus c. Now log of under root x square plus a square upon a plus x by a, same calculation as the last proof. Okay, then adding them, log of under root x square plus a square plus x whole to the upon a plus c. Again here we use the property of logarithm. Then these two terms are in the division, separate log and minus. Therefore log of this under root x square plus a square plus x minus log a plus c. Again log a and c are the constant. Okay, we take another constant, it is c1. Then integral is equal to log of x plus under root x square plus a square, and it is a plus c. Here these two constants minus log a plus c1 is equal to c. See carefully. Okay, it is a new formula, integral of 1 upon under root x square plus a square. It is the integral, it is a log of x plus under root of x square plus a square. Now we see the last proof, that is 1 upon x into under root of x square minus a square. X into under root of x square minus a square dx is equal to 1 by a sec inverse x by a plus c. Okay, now let integral of 1 upon x into under root of x square minus a square. See carefully here. Here the special substitution using the under root of x square minus a square, and for the under root x square minus a square we put x is equal to a sec theta. Put x is equal to a sec theta. Therefore sec theta is equal to x by a. Okay, and here in the last answer it is a sec inverse of a, therefore we can find the value of theta. It is a sec inverse of x by a. Okay, it is a value of theta. Now substitution, it is a x is equal to a sec theta. It is a substitution, and then differentiate with respect to x. It is a 1 a sec theta tan theta, and it is a d theta by dx. It is a derivative of a sec theta with respect to x, and therefore dx is equal to a sec theta tan theta d theta. Put these values in integral. 1 upon x it is a sec theta into under root of a square sec square theta minus 1 and into a sec theta tan theta d theta. Then integral of a sec theta tan theta, a sec theta tan theta as it is, upon, see carefully here, a sec theta. Okay, a sec theta get cancelled. This term will get cancelled, but we can next step cancel it, is cancellation. Now here, sorry, here a sec square theta, it is a square. नाउ वी गेट कॉमन a square. It is a sec square theta minus 1 and d theta. See carefully this term. Okay, here it is a sec theta tan theta, a sec theta tan theta, a sec theta, it is a sec theta, and a square get common. We get a square into sec square theta minus 1, and sec square theta minus 1, it is tan theta. It is a tan theta. Therefore a square tan square theta, and get under root, it is a tan theta. Now see carefully here. In the numerator a sec theta tan theta as it is, in denominator a sec theta as it is, and in under root here a square tan square theta, remove the under root, it is a tan theta, a tan theta d theta. And now a sec theta tan theta get cancelled, here remaining only 1 by a d theta, and then 1 by a, it is a constant, integral of 1 d theta, 1 by a theta plus c, and the value of theta sec inverse x by a plus c. It is the integral, it is the proof. Okay, here see carefully the all proof. Okay, here this proof asked in the exam, it is a 3 or 4 marks. Okay, here see carefully, and the examples on this, it is a 1 upon under root quadratic function. Here integrals 1 upon under root quadratic function. Okay, that is integral of 1 upon under root ax square plus bx plus c dx. Okay, examples of the type. Here 1 upon under root ax square plus bx plus c. Okay, here 1 upon quadratic function. This quadratic function reduced in 2 terms, that is a square and x square, by using complete square method. Okay, here formula same. Okay, प्रोसेस सगळी सेम आहे. लास्ट याला प्रोसेस काय यूज केली होती, कंप्लीट स्क्वेअर करा, 3 पैकी कोणता तरी एक फॉर्म्युला येईल. इथेही तेच करायचे, कंप्लीट स्क्वेअर करा, आता या 3 पैकी कोणता तरी फॉर्म्युला येईल. ओके, अंडर रूटचे फॉर्म्युले, अंडर रूटचे 3 फॉर्म्युले, इट इज 4, इट इज 1 अपॉन ए स्क्वेअर मायनस एक्स स्क्वेअर, 1 अपॉन एक्स स्क्वेअर मायनस ए स्क्वेअर, और 1 अपॉन एक्स स्क्वेअर प्लस ए स्क्वेअर. ओके, कंप्लीट स्क्वेअर करा, ए स्क्वेअर आणि एक्स स्क्वेअरच्या फॉर्ममध्ये लिहा, जे फॉर्म्युला येईल त्या फॉर्म्युल्यानुसार त्याचा आन्सर. ओके, त्याच्यावरचे एक्झाम्पल्स आपण पाहू नेक्स्ट लेक्चरमध्ये.